usual, I'm going to my office on time. And I need to catch the bus, so I need to run quickly. But can you see, everything looks so pretty because there is a lot of snow. People have cleaned the front of their houses as per the rules, whereas some are still cleaning. While on my way, I'm thinking why there is no holiday for me. As my friend had a holiday and the people living around me also had the holiday today because of the snowstorm. And guess what? I had to come back because while boarding the bus, I got a call from the office that it's a holiday today because nobody's coming. Oh God, everything I did in the morning has gone in vain. But it's okay, I'll work from home. First, I was disappointed, but then later I thought it's good to be home. I can enjoy and do my work at the same time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going for a fun activity today and you're gonna love it. And this is my first time I'm doing it. I've seen many people doing it throughout their lives, but this is for the first time I'm gonna do. So be with me, you're gonna enjoy it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm back with a new fun video and I hope you're gonna love it. As you can see, everybody is shoveling the snow in this season. I'll show you. There is like a lot of snow outside and I just wanted to have a little fun because I had a holiday. So can you see everything white? If you see outside, I'm gonna show you. Everything looks so white. It's a white wonderland today. Although there is a little sun as well, but I'm liking it this way. And I'm gonna do something that nobody would have imagined. So keep watching. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.